Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with LangSmith for tracing AI. To get started with authenticating LangSmith for tracing AI agents, follow these simple steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LangSmith website. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. On the Sign In page, look for the Create an Account option if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. For new users, fill in the required information to create your account. After filling in the details, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation link from LangSmith. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the LangSmith website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Locate the section labeled API Keys or Authentication Tokens. Click on the option to generate a new API key. Make sure to label your API key for easy tracking. Copy the generated API key and store it securely. Now, head to the documentation section of LangSmith. Find the guidelines for integrating your API key with your project. Follow the instructions carefully to include the API key in your application. Test the integration to ensure the API key is functioning properly. After successful authentication, you're ready to start tracing your AI agents with LangSmith. Remember to keep your API key secure and do not share it publicly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.